Okay, so I don't really know what to say at the moment. And I came back at 2 o'clock and it still hadn't been started. And then I came back at 7 o'clock and it still hadn't been started. So technically we booked a hotel when we didn't need to. We could have stayed in the van again last night. It's going to be rolling on a week. Obviously tomorrow is going to be a week since it broke down. And we're none the wiser really at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to hang around here until hopefully somebody turns up today. We're going to continue with it today, or it doesn't get done until tomorrow. But so that's where we're at the moment. Right, gonna go get a cup of coffee. Wow, so look at this. So we're back in the van. We've had another chat with the garage owner, and so tonight we are staying in the van. Ju has rustled up quite a festive feast. Right, we're going to have a tea. Well, finally getting going on it, so fingers crossed it's a fairly straightforward job and don't come across any issues so much. So while the van's getting fixed, we've decided to come into Chester just to finish off some Christmas shopping and post some cards, etc. And it really is starting to feel very Christmassy. Got to admit, to be fair, I'm not usually the sort of Christmassy person type, you know, but don't know, kind of feeling it this year. Oh, and we lost the cap, we lost the water cap on our motorhome, and I've just had a message from Julie at the site where we were staying, where we topped up with water last time, that they found it on their drive. So thankfully I'm going to go and buy another one. So, oh, what a good day so far. Hopefully the van will be sorted out later with no major issues and we'll be on our way. Right, got to find the post office in WH Smith's now. Yeah.
So we just had our breakfast and we had a croissant.
Which we bought from the shop last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
And now what we're going to do?
And now we're going to go and see, and we're going to see the fan.
Yeah.
To make sure it's all fixed.
That's exactly what we're going to do. Fingers crossed, hey? Fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed, guys. Back on travels again.
So we've been in a travel lodge this time, and yeah, reasonable price. Nice room, comfy, shower, hot bath, even though the bath actually made me feel like 6'5" instead of 5'6", because it was just a short little bath. But anyway, yeah, there's our view over Rill. Right, come on then, we need to get our shoes on, and it's nearly 12 o'clock, which is checkout time. So we've just turned back up after a night out, and yeah, it looks like they're still underway with the work. I'm not sure how far they've got now. Oh, no, it looks like we've maybe got a new clutch plate going in there. Yeah. Yeah, so he's still looking in a bit of a poorly state at the minute, is Buzz. All right, we'll go and find out how we're getting on. Yes.
pal with me this morning.
Yeah.
In the laundrette. We're in real laundrette. It's clean. The lady was very helpful, and they've got something we haven't seen before, which is odd. They probably do it. We just haven't seen it, have we? Is that behind the counter they have got jars with all pods of different kind of of different kind of washing up liquid. So all gels, all pods. I think they're 80p each. That's a good idea, because sometimes you do get to the laundrette and you forgot your cleaning liquid. So yeah. So it's quite a nice laundrette. As I say, it's clean, it's tidy, we've got music playing, it's festooned up for Christmas.
Yeah. Down now. Push it over. Underneath. Little bit backward. Pull towards me. Pull. Oh yeah. 1 minute. Show me. Yeah.
Yeah, just gently, don't pull, just...
Yeah.
Yeah, just go with it, right. And do a little bit more, please, Mark. Good job. Push it under. Leave Jackie up first. Right, what's that touching there?
Nothing.
Okay, so,
going.
right, push the jacket under the vehicle more, Mark.
Yeah.
That's it. Go on, jack up.
Yeah, like that.
Hang on, push the jack under much more. Push your ear lift.
Yeah.
Make sure it's sat on that.
Yeah.
Because there's a dowel there.
Yeah.
Okay, right. You tighten it up because you've got to feel it in with a spanner or a ratchet. You can't go in with a gun. So well into the second day, and as you can see there, that gearbox, getting that back in was pretty hefty. So it took 4 of them and a jack to get it back into place, but it went in really smoothly, to be honest. They've said that sometimes they can spend half an hour, 45 minutes or more trying to get something like that back into place properly. So, but that went in almost straight away. So Shmi is now just putting everything back together again, and should be ready for sort of later tonight. But we're going to just grab another hotel, travel lodge. It's like £45 for the night or something. So we're going to grab a travel lodge again tonight, and then we'll pick Buzz up in the morning, and then we should be on our way. So you okay being on video?
No problem.
No problem. All right. Right, so we're going to leave Buzz for another night, and I'll be back in the morning, and hopefully it'll all be back together. Well, we've finally got Buzz repaired, and we've got ourselves back on the road again. So I just want to say a massive thanks to Tillery Garage in Kinmill Bay for sorting us out. Also to Gav from Huff Green Recovery for doing a fantastic job of getting us recovered. And yeah, obviously to Eugene and his team, like I say, at Tillery Garage for their knowledge and just being able to get the thing fixed. You know, it was looking a bit hit and miss, a bit iffy to start with, whether we were actually even going to be able to get the parts and all that. But anyway, they managed to get them in, and they got onto it. So we've been sort of held up for about a week, but we were still able to stay in the van. Once they started work on it, we did then move to a travel lodge and to a hotel, as you saw. So we spent, I think, 3 nights in hotels out of the sort of 8 that we've been held up. But yes, we are finally back on the road. I'm not going to say how much it cost, so I'm trying not to think about it. But hey-ho, expensive mistake trying to reverse back up a hill. So yeah, we won't be doing that again. So just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this episode, and we've, funnily enough, enjoyed making it. And we will catch you in the next one, where we are now on the road down to see some friends in Swindon and across to see a friend in Aylesbury before heading back to Lincolnshire for Christmas. So that's what's happening in the next episode. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate all your support, especially all you guys that regularly comment and like and everything. Yeah, it really is appreciated. We love to sort of reply to the comments, etc. So yeah, keep them coming. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.